Hey guys, in this video I'll guide you through how to discover your IP address on Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, let's go ahead and click on your search bar and under search programs type in CMD to take you to a command prompt. Here, you will type in ipconfig and hit the enter key. And this will display your IP address for your local area network, which is coming from your router. Most people have routers in their homes these days for wireless connections, and this is one method. The next method I'm going to show you, let's go ahead and close this out, would be to go into your system tray and click on your wireless icon and click on the wireless network that you're connected to and do a right click and click on properties. Here scroll down and you will see your IP address that is on your local area network. So your PC IP address here is only for the local area network that's coming from your router. Now let's close this out. To discover what your wide area network IP address is, go ahead and open up an internet browser and go out to myipaddress.com, and this will give you your IP address of your wide area network. And that's it. So that's basically how you can discover your IP address on Windows. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.